Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Mac OS Sonoma device with the Mac OS Sonoma, and now I'm going to show you how to use Apple Dictionary on this operation system. So the best feature of the Apple Dictionary is when you open in something in the web browser, and for example you don't know what the word means, and you press it harder on your touchpad, on your trackpad, and here you will able to see the explaining of this word. So how to enable it? To do it, firstly we need to open the system settings, then find here your trackpad, and here as you can see we have point and click, and here as you can see we have click, medium, trackpad speed, force click and haptic feedback, then lookup and data detectors, force click with one finger, or you can enable it like a tap with 3 fingers. So if you will enable tap with 3 fingers, it will work without the pressing harder, but just using the 3 fingers. But I suggest use force click with 1 finger. I like this option more. If you have it disabled, so you can't use the dictionary in the normal way. Okay, then you need to open the dictionary, and here you will see all your dictionaries, all enabled dictionaries. Here, if you will click on dictionary on the left top corner, here you can find the settings. You can enable it, and here you can choose the languages you want to translate from and to. For example, here I have enabled Polish and English, and now when I will click force click on the Polish word, it will explain it and translate to English, and if I will click on the English word, it will explain it and translate to Polish. You can change these languages, you can add other languages. Using other languages, you can see the list of languages is bigger than languages you can see here. That's cool. So now, for example, of course you can add other dictionaries. For example, Russian dictionary you can add. You can add Camus dictionary. Maybe it's Bulgarian dictionary app for Bulgarian words, and not only for Bulgarian words. Swedish dictionary, Norwegian and Oxford, other dictionaries too. Even Chinese dictionaries you can use. And as you can see, I have enabled Wikipedia dictionary, Apple English Treasures, it's Oxford Treasures of English, as you can see, Polish English. And now, for example, when I click on the tutorials force, and firstly, by the first time I need to click continue, of course, and as you can see what I have here. Here I have the explaining what is tutorial is. As you can see, it's a period of tuition given by an university or college tutor, and of course you can always click more. This is the second explaining of tutorial. Here we can see the derivatives. Here we can see the origin. I think maybe it's not from Wikipedia, or maybe from, yes, it's from Wikipedia. Okay. English treasures from Oxford Dictionary. Here we have lessons, class, seminar, and translating Polish English, for example. Tutorial in Polish. It might be seminarium, konsultacja, and other explainings, for example. Here we have the Siri knowledge, so we can check what Siri thinks about tutorial word. and here you can suggest us to search for websites where tutorials is a keyword. For example, we can do it with any word we can see in the internet. So great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.